All right, IB juniors, this is it. This is the last video. This is the last content that you'll see. So I'm pulling for you guys. Finished strong here. Been very impressed with this group down the stretch. You've done some very, very solid work, and really am hoping that everybody finishes strong here. I'll take late work up until June 2nd. That's Tuesday. So anything you want to turn in, I'll take, extra credit included. So here's the plan for Friday, May 29th. First, do the May 29th do now assignment. And then the only thing that you have left is a reading assessment. And it's really not a reading assessment, it's just about the impact of the treaty system. And it's from pages 32 to 44, not all of those pages. And you'll see that it's actually a really short reading. But there are quite a few questions. I think there's 23 questions, but it goes quickly. It's not terribly long, but it's important, the content of it, to understand what takes place after the treaty system is established. Unfortunately, we don't have more time to get into more depth on specific things that happen regarding the Middle East, particularly Jerusalem and what is today Israel versus Palestine and things like that. But it's the best we can do with the time that we have. Okay, so those are your assignments. That's it. Please contact me if you need help. I'm here for you. That is all I have. Good luck.